Hello everyone, welcome to our series design lectures, and today we're going to keep working on 3D homes, and in these lectures we're going to talk about how to adjust the door panel style, door panel materials, and the handles. Okay, so we start from the two base cabinets, two wall cabinets, and the two high cabinets. So as we mentioned before, we can go to the top bars right here, go for the door panel styles, and here we can this allows us to change the base cabinet style, base cabinet materials, wall cabinet styles, and wall cabinet materials. But we don't have the options for the high cabinet materials since it is included in these parts. Okay, so that means if you select a base cabinet styles, it will apply the same thing to the high cabinets. So for example, we start from base cabinets, we go for the melamine doors. I would like to have wood frames, wood grains melamine doors, for example, like this ones. And then for the wall cabinets, I would like to go for the, for example, a lacquer series. One side made lacquers, for example, single lacquers. This means single side lacquers. Double lacquer means double sides. And for the matte lacquer here, I'm going for the matte white lacquers. And then here we go. Click on the applications, and I can expect to see the panels of the wall cabinets to be in the white lacquers, and the panels for the base cabinets and the high cabinets to be in these wood grains. So, and then how to do the, for example, how to adjust one single panels to another style. Then I can select these cabinets, especially these door panels. Right click, go for the door panels, panel styles, or the drawer front styles. For example, if I go for the drawer front styles, this means one single panel style. For example, I would like to have another melamine materials. Go for the YMA 001s. Find out the YMA 001s. There are many options right here: the flat doors, the fixed doors, the wood frame glass doors. But it doesn't matter. Go for the pure ones, the YMA 001s, the flat door panels you want, and go for the another materials. Go for materials, door materials, and go for example, I would like to have the another type of wood grains. This ones. This is how you change the panel styles one by one. If I want to change the door panel styles for multiple cabinets, how do I do this? I'm going to select both of them, and then right click on the I want to make sure that when I'm right clicking on both of the cabinets. I'm selecting both of the cabinets. Go for the door panels, panel styles, and then since for now I'm selecting the high cabinets. If I want to change it to another materials, I'm going to select it on the base cabinet list. Go for these colors, for example, and then when I'm applying, I'm only applying these materials to these two cabinets I've selected. Okay, this is how I change the door panel styles for all of the cabinets, for one cabinet, and for multiple cabinets. And then let's take a look at how to do the wood frame glass door, aluminum frame glass doors, and rebounder door. Take a base cabinets for examples. I would like to change it to wall cabinets to explain the glass door. It's kind of weird to do glass doors for the base cabinets. Okay, so for now, I can apply this once again to how do I do this? How do I select this and right click? I have to control select these ones and right click on the don't lose my control buttons, and right clicks on the very last cabinets right here, and then I go for door panels, panel styles, and then you may find out that on this list there's not any wood frame glass doors available, no any aluminum frame glass door available. Why? Because we have to change this one by one. This only allows us to change based on the wood panels. Alright. And then select all of this, keep selecting all of this, don't lose my control buttons, and then go for the door panels, draw a front style. Alright, now I can choose for the wood frame glass doors. For example, I would like to go for the lacquer doors in the wood frame glass, then I still go for the lacquer series YMK001s, and then take a look at this. This one is the YMB001s, this one is the what's the wood frame glass available. Choose this ones, and then you can see, wait for a few seconds. And then you can see all of these frames are in the new style. And then we select all of this, choose go for the materials, go for the door materials. I would like to keep the door materials in the matte lacquers, matte white lacquers, and then I would like to keep all of these materials, the core materials, to be another type of glass. For example, this gray glass. Alright, this is how I do the wood frame glass doors. And for the aluminum frame glass doors, it is kind of it is a little bit similar, but not exactly the same. Select all of this, go for the door panel style, apply this. I think I'm applying this to all of the cabinets. Maybe this is why it's kind of lagging this bad. Oh, unfortunately, I'm applying this to all of my wall cabinets. Okay, so don't do that like me. So for now, I'm going to change the drawer front styles as well. I'm going for directly going for the aluminum frame glass door. Where is it? Aluminum frame glass door series. For example, it's the YML002. And then we go for the YML002 door panels with the glass inserts. Wait for a few seconds. And then we have these panels. And then we can select all of this to adjust the door core materials, which is the glass materials, the glass insert materials together. I would like to go for the gray glass as well. And this is how I do the aluminum frame glass doors. And how do I do the rebound doors? The only thing about the rebound doors actually compose two components. The first one is no handles, and the second one is rebounder hinge. So the first step of changing, for example, I would like to do rebounder doors for these three doors. The first step is to select all of this and delete the handles. Handles, delete. And then I'm going to the panel selection modes, and then this is how to adjust the hinges. For example, I'll go for the to adjust it to a rebounder hinge. Right click, select this panel's right click, and go for the accessories. And now can choose for the replacement accessories. I can go for rebounder hinge or the integrated hinge if I would like to have this type of different type of hinges. For now, I'm going for the 0048 rebounder hinge. Press OK. This will automatically attach your rebounders, the PWWZ007. I have to repeat this accessories, rebounder hinge, 0048, the rebounder hinge, and this one as well. Alright, this is how you do the rebounding hinge. And this is, I think, everything for the door panels. Replace the door panels as a whole, replace one single door panels, replace multiple single door panels, wood frame glass door, aluminum frame glass door, adjust hinges. And then we can move on to the handle parts. I would like to have a drawer cabinet to explain the handles. Actually, the two of these small big drawer based cabinets. So for now, I can have, if I'm going for the visible handles, I can go for this way. I can right click, go for all handles, and go for replace. Or I can go for the delete and install them once again. For example, if I go for replace right now, I go for another black modern style handles like this ones. And all of the handles will be replaced to these ones. And with the locations stays all the same. For example, this one is then in the top middles, in the top middles, and in the top middles. If I delete all of these handles and then install the new ones, still the same handles. Oh, this one is for drawers. I have to edit this right here in the middles. Then I can choose the location for this each of these handles. When it is first installed, all of the handles will be automatically put in the middles. So unlike the old locations where all of my handles in the top middles, now it's in the middles. So if I want to change the locations for these ones, I have to go to the handles installations. I have to go for the handle installations right here. All handles installations. I can select all of these handles. As you can see, when I'm selecting these handles, the handles here turns a little bit wide. I can adjust its locations. If I want to adjust its locations to the up parts, to the top middles, this is what I can do. Alright, I can also install it in the vertical ways, but normally I won't do that. This is how I install the handles and adjust its locations. And what about bar handles? So, for example, if I'm going for the KO4 bar handles, this is what it looks like. I got 2 bar handles right here is for my 3 drawer cabinets. I can also go for 3 bar handles. This is available for change. And also, there's another type of bar handles, which is the what we call the bar handle installed on the door panels. How do we do that? We're going to adjust the door panel styles for these ones. For example, for the base cabinets, we go for the YMA009. What does this stand for? The up concealed handles. And we go for another materials, for example, the pink one. And now I have the handles installed this way. This one is the handles installed on the door panels, the bar handles. As you can see, it takes up the top parts of the drawer front panels. Okay, and we actually have a couple of types of these bar handles. We can go to the panel selection mode, click on this, and select for the door panels type. We have the 0003, 0038, which is the black colors, and we also have the 008. This is a different styles bar handles installed on the door panels. Okay, and I can also go to the global styles, set a space style. The last option stands for the styles of the door panels bar handles. If we choose for the 0038 and I choose for applies, then all of my bar handles installed on the top panels, especially for these cabinets, for my drawer cabinets, will be changed to the 0038. Okay, this one's the whole bar handles in black colors. Another case is when I go for the KO4 series. We actually got multiple types of KO4. For example, the black colors and the gray color KO4s. What do I do if I want to replace the color of this? I can right click, go to the all handles. Oh no, all materials, go for the bar handle materials, and then I can see there are 3 colors available: the gray colors, the silver colors, and the black colors. For example, I would like to go for the gray colors, double click, and all of my bar handles will be in these colors. Okay, this is about the bar handles in the crackers, bar handles in the countertops, and the visible handles. So I hope this helps you to understand how to figure out the door panels and the handles in the 3D homes. Thanks for listening, and I will see you next time.